Find yourself in a comfortable and supported position. Either you can choose to sit in a comfortable position, or even you can lie down and relax your body. Close your eyes and take several deep, calming breaths. Allow your mind and body to settle. Take several deep, calming breaths. Breathe in and breathe out naturally, and let your attention observe a single breath. Nice. Feeling relaxed now? Now place your both the hands and your awareness on your heart. Feel your beating heart as a sensation or as a sound. The heart is beating and providing us life energy. We tend to forget our heart, and our habits do not always support its functioning, but our heart is in unconditional love with us and will continue to do so for our entire life. As you breathe in, feel your heart rise into your palm. Feel the warmth and connection of your hand on your heart. With every breath, feel your heart expanding and opening like a soft resting flower bud ready to awaken and unfold its petals to the warmth of the sun. As you continue to breathe and the heart expands, invite any pain, emotional restriction, leave your body and mind as you silently say to yourself, I accept that this moment is pure and perfect, exactly as it is supported to be. All is well. I trust, I am loved, I am lovable, I am tender, I am strong. I forgive myself for my regrets. I unconditionally love myself. Like my heart is loving myself unconditionally. Now I choose to love myself unconditionally. I am silent, I am still. I am loving kindness and I am patient. I trust that all is well. I am safe. I am whole. I am a child of the universe. I forgive and I am forgiven. I find myself in a world created by love. I am love. I am love. I am love. Allow your heart to mend as you welcome the healing and transformative power of love. Surrender to love as you release grievances, judgment, and the burdens of the ego. Surrender yourself to this love as you forgive yourself and others. Feel your load lightened. Feel the weight lifted. Allow that wholeness to flow through every cell of your body. Keep breathing into your heart. Allow your heart to mend itself. Open yourself to its healing power. Breathe love in and release all your pain. Breathe in love and release all your blame. Breathe love in and release all your shame. Breathe love in and let love flow. Stay here in this space as long as you did like. Now, take deep, soft and awakening breaths. Open your eyes and gently transition back to your physical world. You are in awakened state and feeling fresh and energetic.